Former Manhattan D.A. prosecutor Elliot Felig joins me now. Now, what did we learn? I think we've learned something today about the judge's instructions to the jury.
Right.
What did we learn?
So we were hoping, those of us who were observing, were hoping that the instructions would be posted on the website of the Office of Court Administration. They did not do that, and it's 7 full days since they argued about the parameters of the charge. But the judge indicated when he took the bench that he had emailed the charge to the lawyers sometime around this past Thursday. So the lawyers at least have had a chance to look at it and tailor their summations accordingly.
And we've not yet. We don't know what he's instructed the jury on.
We won't know what the judge's charge consists of until we actually hear it in open court.
Now, we just heard that this trial could wrap up this week. Is that legit? Is that likely?
Sure. I think the summations are going to take up the full day today. The judge's charge, I think, will take about half the day tomorrow. So it's possible deliberations will begin tomorrow, middle of the day.
Does it make any difference to you? I mean, you're a legal guy. I'm talking politics now.
Right.
President Biden is going to make a statement when the verdict is in. What do you make of that?
I mean, look, he's going to have to spin it one way or another. You can't avoid the political ramifications. And on a serious level, though, that's part of what makes it tough to imagine someone getting a fair trial in these circumstances, because the political is so intertwined with the outcome of the case.
A lot of the people who've appeared on this program analyzing the trial say they think it's going to be a hung jury. What says Elliot Felig?
Look, if ever a situation lent itself to a hung jury, it's this one. The system by design requires consensus. People have a hard time reaching consensus on any issue in this polarized world. There's no topic that's more polarizing than Donald Trump. So if ever I could conjure a scenario where people can't reach unanimous agreement on a verdict, it's this one.
If there were a hung jury and one person stands out and says, nah, I'm not going with this, is that person at risk?
You have to wonder. I mean, the judge has gone to great lengths to conceal the identity, but it would inevitably leak out. So I'd be concerned. And you have to worry, how are jurors impacted by the possibility of threats or political impact or whatever hanging over them?
Sure. Thanks very much, Elliot. Always a pleasure. Come back soon.